When life gets stressful or you're feeling burnt out, do you find yourself coping in unhealthy ways like overeating, drinking, social media, staying up late working or binging on Netflix, screaming, shouting, or maybe just avoiding things altogether? Now, these strategies will work in the short term, but eventually they're going to create more problems than they solve. Now, picture what it might be like if you and your team had the skills to work through those challenging moments without losing your mind. And my name's Chibs. I'm a stress and a burnout specialist and accredited mindfulness facilitator. I work with organizations to provide practical mindfulness and mental fitness tools to reduce stress, reduce the risk of burnout, and improve your ability to get more done in less time. And some of you might know me as one of the meditation instructors and narrators for Calm. Now, back in the day, I was what some would call living the dream. I had the apartment, the car, the travel, the money, but on the inside, I was stressed, depressed, badly burnt out, and I didn't want to be here anymore. So that's why I'm so passionate about what I do. I don't want anyone to feel the way that I've felt. And if you place what I teach into practice, you'll never have to. Now, this workshop is a fantastic way of engaging your team, particularly with the rise of hybrid working, which has made it so much more challenging to foster that feeling of engagement and psychological safety. This workshop will allow those in the office and also those working remotely to share stories, be vulnerable, and to connect. By the end of the workshop, not only will you be able to spot signs of stress and burnout in yourself and others, you'll also have practical mindfulness, mindset, breathing, and productivity tools to manage your stress and burnout in healthy ways.